SafeDock installation. The video is a deployment guide of xFanatical SafeDock, a Chrome extension that helps school administrators manage inappropriate features in Google Workspace for education that Google Admin Console doesn't provide. You can install xFanatical SafeDock on managed Chrome devices and desktop Chrome browsers. If you're a school IT admin, this applies to you. Take these steps to get started. Apply a 30-day trial license and fill up the details to receive license. The trial license will be emailed to you. Once you receive the license, download it and keep it safe. Go to Admin Console and create New Organization Unit and add user in a test organization unit. Deploy SafeDock to a test user in a test organization unit. To install SafeDock through the Google Admin Console, follow these simple steps. Go to Devices, then Chrome, then Apps and Extensions, then Users and Browsers in the Admin Console. Select the organizational unit where you want to install SafeDock. Click the yellow plus button, then select the Chrome Web Store icon to find an extension. In the search bar, type SafeDock, find xFanatical SafeDock, and click Select to install. After adding SafeDock, change its installation policy to Force Install so it installs automatically for users. Download the initial configuration file from the trial license confirmation email. In the Policy for Extensions section, upload the configuration file. This file contains your license key and initial SafeDock settings, which you can customize later. Click Save to apply the changes. Verify that the features are activated as expected. Open the Chrome browser in a student account. In a few seconds, the SafeDock icon will appear in the toolbar with the SafeDock logo, indicating that the extension is functioning properly. If the icon is colored in gray, then it's not functioning properly for the following reasons. The SafeDock Chrome extension is installed directly from the Chrome Web Store. Configuration file from the trial license confirmation email is not provided. The license key in the configuration file is invalid, expired, misused, etc. The student's email domain does not match with the student domain of the license key. Now you have SafeDock working properly. It's time to test and explore SafeDock features. In Google Docs, SafeDock gently disables the Search the Web feature to help maintain a focused and distraction-free classroom environment. Additionally, SafeDock encourages creativity and focus by gently removing template options in Google Slides through the Block Slides Templates policy. This inspires students to build presentations from scratch, fostering originality and meaningful content creation. SafeDock can also help teachers maintain a focused learning environment by blocking Google Doodles. By removing potential distractions, it keeps students engaged and supports smoother classroom management, fostering a productive atmosphere for both lessons and virtual meetings. You can find the list of SafeDock features in the support page. Once you have tested the features of SafeDock, repeat the setup for the production student OUs. You can further set different policies for OUs. If you purchase the annual license, you will receive a new annual license key by email. Please follow these steps to activate the new license key. Sign into your Google Admin Console. Go to the Devices, then Chrome, then Apps and Extensions, then Users and Browsers page. Under your Production Students OU, select xFanatical SafeDock. In the Policy for Extensions section of the right panel, replace the existing trial license key with the new annual license key. Click Save. The new license key will usually propagate to students' Chrome devices or browsers in a few minutes after when they are online. It's simple and easy. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.